The government of Grenada, through the Ministry of Health, disseminates official, factual, and credible information. Any information relating to policy and response in this pandemic will come officially from the ministry with its insignia. As the state of Grenada navigates its way through curbing this recent outbreak, the ministry will provide regular updates on its epidemiological situation and the ongoing response mechanisms. The situation is fluid, and so too will the official information. The ministry is asking the public to scale up its personal hygiene, such as the proper wearing of masks in public spaces, frequent sanitizing or washing of hands, and the continuous practice of avoiding large gatherings and remaining 6 feet away from other people outside your household. Clinical psychologist Dr. Augustine Panchu warns against absorbing misinformation spread across platforms.
And allow this misinformation to flow and affect people, vulnerable people. Let me tell you something, Glossop. There are many Grenadians who are taking Facebook as gospel. They're taking Instagram. They're taking word of mouth of the neighbor. There are so many doctors, Facebook doctors and Facebook epidemiologists and Facebook nurses and pharmacists. There are so many Facebook psychologists and therapists and counselors that it is mind-boggling how we survive. And so the misinformation takes on a multifaceted way.
The statement from the ministry adds that a crucial element in this fight against COVID-19 is vaccination. All scientific studies show that vaccination are proven to work in preventing severe illnesses, hospitalization, and death. Grenada currently has 2 WHO-approved vaccines for dissemination to the public, AstraZeneca and Pfizer. The AstraZeneca vaccine continues to be available to all adults. The Pfizer vaccine is currently available to anyone aged 12 and over at any vaccination center on the island. This includes the National Stadium, where vaccination is available to the public free of cost daily. Grenada's present allocations of Pfizer and AstraZeneca vaccines are enough to provide the requisite 2 doses for thousands of Grenadians, with appropriate intervals between the doses. The ministry urges those who have not yet done so to get vaccinated to give them the best possible chance in the face of this deadly disease. The ministry continues to also encourage anyone who has been exposed to COVID-19 or who is experiencing symptoms that are consistent with COVID-19 to immediately isolate themselves from others and call 458-4787 or 538-4787 or your nearest health center or medical station to request testing. The COVID-19 test is free for all symptomatic people and their contacts. Christina John, GBN News.